Hey friends! After a lot of development from my Cedar Lightroom presets, I have something new to show you that's really awesome for GoPro PROTUNE. I used a special Lightroom plugin to adapt my Cedar presets to LUTs for video. That means I had to create stills from actual PROTUNE footage and pull it into Lightroom to adapt these properly. So you can see what this does to actual footage. I have a lot of before and after video footage from my GoPro, both 5 and 7, so you can really check out what this does. And the 5 and 7 PROTUNE aren't too different. The footage looks a little bit better on the 7, but you get a good idea of what the LUTs are doing to the footage by seeing the before and after. And the before is really flat, so you can see really the colors and the curves and everything that's going on. If you want to get these LUTs, just go to jzaring.com/awesome. I sell on my own website, but through Creative Market, which is an awesome website for creatives to sell things on, like presets, pre-made artwork for businesses, pretty much anything you can think of that's like a digital good, you can sell in Creative Market. I'm not sponsored by them, I just think it's an awesome website and they don't charge you anything up front. So if you like this video, oh, it's starting to rain. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram @JoshZaring. Create, share, repeat, and keep it awesome. I'll see you next time.